for anybody on this call who does not know, whatever your active work set here, so whatever it is listed here as, is going to be the one where when you draw in content or you model in anything in general, you are going to then have those elements fall within this work set. So if you don't switch to the right work set, it can cause some not so fun time because depending on how you have your view set up, things might not be visible. So speaking of that, depending on if you have a view template, sometimes people will, again, establish what work sets you want on or off within each view template. So if I wanted to come in here, you're going to see, depending on your work sets, there is going to be your ability to come in here and establish which ones you want turn on or which ones you want off. So maybe in this view, I do not want any of my work set 1 turned on. Then I would be able to come in here and turn that off. Also, throwing out there, there is going to be some poll questions throughout this as well. So when you have a moment, please feel free to answer some of those poll questions as well. But when you come in here, you can see, you can show it, hide it, or again, the global setting, which is making it visible. So with that being said, the frustration is sometimes not knowing what work set is, again, active, or some of your elements that are established. Maybe you don't know what work set is, again, assigned to it. You're going to see that by clicking on an element, scrolling all the way down, you're going to see the work set itself, and then the work set it is associated with. How to, in native Revit, change this is if I want this to be equipment, I'm going to come in here and switch it. So there's technically, again, 2 ways that you can quickly change the work set of an element or establish a work set of an element is prior to placing it, establishing it this way, or if you ever make a mistake, you can always click on an element and switch it to the right work set based on, again, that manual process of coming into an element and scrolling down within your properties and changing it that way. Again, you can always do multiple ones as well. So if you want to click all of them and then change it, you can do that as well.